Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to book UK driving theory test. Before you start, you need your UK driving license number, credit or debit card, and driving instructor's personal reference number if you want to check they're available. You must have lived in England, Wales or Scotland for at least 185 days in the last 12 months before the day you take your theory or driving test. Car and motorcycle test costs £23. Lorry and bus test cost for Part 1A multiple choice question is £26. For Part 1B hazard perception is £11 and for Part 2 case studies is £23. When you book your test, say if you have a reading difficulties, health condition or disability, you do not need to take a theory test before you book a driving test to upgrade an automatic car's license to a manual car license from Category A1 small motorcycle to Category A2 medium motorcycle. If you had a license for at least 2 years from Category C1 medium vehicles to Category C large vehicles, unless you get your C1 entitlement from passing a car driving test. From Category T1 minibus to Category D bus, any license to be able to tow a trailer. After you have all the required information, you can proceed to book the test. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.